Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get fins to enhance your swimming speed in Subnautica below zero. First of all, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of my content. So here in the personal and equipment you'll see these fins, which you'll need 2 silicone rubber. The silicone rubber can be crafted from creepvine seed clusters. The creepvine seed clusters can be found inside of the kelp forest in clusters of 7. As you can see, here's a giant creepvine, and here are the seeds. I already collected some of these, but there should be 7 total on this giant creepvine. So once you've collected it, go ahead back to your fabricator and use the fabricator. Go to resources, basic materials, craft the silicone rubber, and now go to personal equipment and click on fins. As you can see, it's going to approximately enhance the swimming speed by 15%. Once you have it equipped, you can go inside and feel the difference. This is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.